Hello, let's continue our Sudoku adventure with Dodging Bullets by PjoeterBliep. So we have normal 6x6 Sudoku rules. That means in each row, each column, and each 2x3 box, we are placing digits 1 to 6 exactly once each. We also have these clues outside the grid. These are hit point clues. So let's go through the example here. The example is for column 3, 1, 2, 2, 5, 4, 6, 3. So if we count away from this 7, starting from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, just count forward. If that digit matches, we're going to shade it red. So 1 matches, 2 matches, 5 does not, 4 does, 6 does not, 3 does not. Now we add up all of the shaded cells, and they will add to 7. So 1 plus 2 plus 4 is 7. So this would be one way to fulfill this column. All right, so that is hit point clues. And so this one counts from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This one counts from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? All right, in addition to that, we need to draw a loop. So it recommends we shade the cells in the color of the hit point clue. So like this column's going to shade in red. This row is going to shade in green. This column's going to shade in blue, etc. And a cell can be shaded multiple colors. That just means it's shaded, right? All of the unshaded clues, and I recommend turning on the pen tool here, very top option. We need to be able to draw a loop in the grid. And this loop is going to never branch, so we can't do anything like that. It's not going to intersect itself, nothing like that. It's just a very simple loop, and it goes only orthogonally. It does not go diagonally. And it only occupies unshaded cells. And it occupies every unshaded cell and none of the shaded ones. All right. And that's it. Those are the rules. There's a link in the description if you'd like to try the puzzle yourself. And I'm going to get started right now. Okay. I think I'm going to start by graying any cell that is definitely not shaded. I'll use this gray. So this row, I mean, this 0 may as well not. I mean, the 0 is basically telling us none of these match. And so yellow is not contributing anything to our shadeds. So any column that does not have a clue cannot be shaded. So I think we can just work our way down all the way here and shade those gray. I think that makes sense. Yeah. So just make sure I didn't miss anything. Yeah. So these columns can be shaded, and then this row can be shaded, but that's it. So this is a corner, and it's definitely on the loop because it's unshaded. So the loop has to do that, and that, and that, and that. And so that means that these are never shaded. Okay. This could be shaded red. Now that this isn't shaded, the 3 isn't 1 plus 2, so the 3 is just going to be the 3 here. We're going to make that blue. And that means that this one is never shaded. This one still could be green, and this one's never shaded. We just make sure these just don't match. I'm not really interested in penciling that, but we'll see. So this is a tunnel now. This one's in the loop, and it only has one option to have 2 edges. And so that is never shaded. We don't know that these connect. They don't have to. Is the 12 interesting? It might be. So this 12 here, the max these could add to is 15. If we did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that would be 15. So we need to omit 3 from that, which means we either omit the 1 and the 2, or we omit the 3. But it means we never omit the 4 or the 5. They have to match. So those are green. And so, okay, I've got a little bit of logic here. This cell here is on the loop. If it did that, it would make a little tiny mini loop. That's no good. And so the only option is for it. It must take this one, and then I don't know if it goes up or left. Which does mean that this is shaded. This is never shaded, sorry. It's unshaded. So what's that mean for this 7? Well, we can't do 1, 2, 4. That's definitely out for us in the column already. We could do 1, 6. We can't do 2, 5. We can't do 3, 4. So I think we're doing 1, 6. These are red. And then these don't have a row, so they're unshaded. And because of this red, we've actually made a corner here. We made a corner here. This now can't go that way, so it's going to go down. This is a corner. This is a corner. Okay, this has nowhere to go but through. It's a tunnel. Nice. All right. Now, right, if I made these green to be 1, 2, adding to 3, this could not make it out. This is stuck now. So we better make this the 3. And then these are, well, this one's not shaded. But this could be part of the 7. Now, what can this 7 do? Certainly not doing 1, 2, 4, or 1, 6. It could do 2, 5. It cannot do 3, 4 because the 3 is used here. So it's got to do 2, 5. That's 2, that's 5. Those are red. And then the 12 is done, so we're good here, and we're good here. Okay, so we know exactly how the loop needs to go now. So it comes through here. It takes this corner. It now has to take this corner. And this comes up through here. So that's our loop. And, oh, I didn't actually put the 1 and the 6 here. I should have done that. Okay, now it should just be Sudoku. I don't see anything else to do. It's Sudoku plus the negative constraint on the hit points. So 1 is in one of these two. 2 is up here somewhere. But this can't be the 2 because of the 0 clue. So that's our 2. 2 in this box is here. 2 is in one of these two. But this can't be the 2 because of the 3 clue. Basically, any gray cell cannot match it. If there's a clue there, it cannot match the index away. The count away, I guess I could say. So why don't I fill 1, 2, 6 here? That's not a 2. This can't be a 1, and this can't be a 6, but it also can't be a 2. So that's 1, that's 6, that's 2. All right, doing well. This finishes the box with a 6. Over here, we need 1, 4, 5. Now, this can't be 4. It would be 4 away from the 7, so that's a 1. So here we need the 3 and the 4. All right, those are fine. So I need 3, 4, 5, 6 here. This can't be 3 or 5. It can't be 2, 3, 4. This can't be 4 or 3. 5. This can't be 6. All right. What's left? Here. We need 1, 4, 6. That's not 6. That's not 1. That's a 4, 6 pair. That's our 1. 1 looks in. 1's in one of these two. Honestly, just hard to scan with all this other stuff going on. Right, this can't be 6 because of the 3 clue. So that's 4 and that's 6. That's our 3, our 5, and our 6. That's 4 and 5. That's a 4. I need a 2 up here. That goes here. This is 6. This is 5. I need a 4 up here. That goes here. And then this is a 3. Over here, I need the 1 and the 3. That's 1. That's 3. That's a 1. 3 in the corner, DD duty. That's a 4. Here, I need a 3, and I need a 5, and we're done. All right, nice puzzle, PjoeterBliep. That was pretty fun. I liked the loop aspect, forcing some of the shading. That was a neat idea to like restrict the hit point clues via the way the loop had to work. That was neat. All right, well, how'd you do?